In the bustling heart of New York City, a captivating trio redefines love and unity. Marcus, a well-built black man with striking green eyes, exudes gentle strength and insightful leadership. Jasmine, a black woman with a radiant smile, brings wisdom and emotional depth. Elena, a vibrant and fit Latina, infuses fiery passion and sharp wit into their dynamic relationship. Together, they navigate life, love, and societal judgment in their polygamous union. Their daily lives are a testament to the beauty of non-traditional relationship structures, from intimate dinners and whispered secrets to public glances filled with unsaid words. They manage daily logistics and share responsibilities, maintaining intimacy and support in the face of external pressures. From curious neighbors to critical family members, the trio confronts stereotypes and misconceptions head-on. Yet, their bond thrives, highlighting the unique benefits of their arrangement: unconditional support, multiplied love, and shared growth. Encounters with other polygamous couples broaden their perspectives, sparking discussions about loyalty, freedom, and partnership. Amidst drama, humor, and heartfelt moments, Marcus, Jasmine, and Elena challenge conventional norms, celebrating the beauty of love in all its forms.